in this video, I'm gonna be I'm gonna be teaching you how to make EAS scenarios without a PC. Nothing. I mean, it's not as good as the PC version. I mean, it's not an exact replica. I mean, like, oh, come on. You thought you were going to get an exact replica? No. Just download this app called Fake EAS Simulator. And I'm like 99.9% sure it's on Apple. If not, I think this is only for Android users. I checked on Apple, like, one time. It really wasn't there. So just go here. You can go to Video Alert Builder first. You can choose which orientation you want it. You can choose the font size, the kind of font. Yeah, there's only two. Like, for example, you can put in any text you want. And, yeah, look. Yeah, see? Yeah, you can make anything. It's really easy, though. Like, for example, if I wanted to make something like, oh, I don't know. Where's the alert system? Like this basic piece of garbage. Or, I mean, if you want, you could. Oh, and yeah, there's audio. Oh, and there's valid EAS tones in this video. So don't play it near, like, a radio or any Bluetooth thing. Or, like, a EAS radio, because then it'll go off and it'll trigger the whole thing. Like, look. And I have this. But, if you don't like that and you want the real thing, they always have the Amber Alert stuff, too. Do not forget that.
A tornado warning is in effect for your area. Take shelter immediately.
They got the custom text. Oh. Okay. This is not a drill. Issued by... Look.
This is not a drill. 5. His message has been issued by the request of National Weather Service. A tornado has touched downtown in Houston, Texas. This is not a drill. This message has been issued by the request of National Weather Service. A tornado has touched downtown in Houston, Texas. This is not a drill. This message has been issued by the request of the National Weather Service. A tornado has touched downtown in Houston, Texas.
Why not? Hey, yo, what did I make that emoji? Oh, wait, can I put emojis in this one?
This is not a drill. This message has been issued by the request of the National Weather Service. A tornado has touched downtown in Houston, Texas. The tornado is of EF3 category.
Done.
A tornado warning is in effect for your area. Take shelter immediately.
And then you could save it to MP3 if you really want. And then you could go to video. And then you can play this. Yeah, that just plays the whole thing. And after all that, you can click save. Oh.
Try Boost free for 30 days and save up to $650. Kroger, fresh for everyone.
Tired. Oh look. I got a notification from my video. Damn, I'm surprised. Now you might not hear me for a second, so what? Anything? Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna have to move. Yeah, this might end the video here. So, and you might want to read this. Don't let your phone turn off or it'll break the, recording. So just let it do its thing. Don't worry, it has no sound while it's doing this. Oh, and also shout out to this app. It's a really good, mobile, alternative to what you have on PC, but there's probably some animating or, editing things that you can make this with mobile. So anyway, you're probably not gonna hear me, so bye.